morning, everybody. It is June 7th, day 11 of our honeymoon, and our third day in Ireland. We're here in the car. Nick's driving. We are headed way out west. We left Cork this morning. We're on our way to the Killarney area, where we'll begin our journey to drive around the Ring of Kerry, which is one of the most scenic routes in Ireland. We can do as many stops as we like because we have our own car. Very excited to see the coast, some cliffs, some waves, the beach, everything. So we'll take you guys along with us today.
We've reached our first destination at the Gap of Dunlow. And kind of sucks because the road we were going to take, no car access. You can only walk or go by horse. But this is a pretty cool first stop on the Ring of Kerry. Wow. Look at all the sheep over there. Hiking the Gap. This video does not do this like any justice at all, but it's really cool. Check out this view. Whoa.
Alright, hey everyone. We are here driving the Ring of Kerry, and what we have behind us that we can see here is the Dingle Peninsula. So it's a whole nother section of the island out by the Atlantic. It's raining a little bit. Check it out.
Those mountains. Alright, check it out. My first view of Ireland cliffs. That's pretty cool. The island where they filmed Luke Skywalker's home in The Force Awakens. He's in hiding, and Mark Hamill comes back and he plays, and I see it right now. And he goes away and stays on this island, and they filmed it right here. But man, it's so good right now. But up here, Skywalker trains Rey right up there. And the only way, obviously, you can get to it is they do boat rides, but they weren't doing that. But that's really cool. All right, St. Finian's Bay. Welcome to the beach. Alright, we have arrived at Stag Fort. What is it, Nicole?
It's a very large stone fort, and it's very old. It's the most that I know
about it. I don't know if we're supposed to be in here or not, but we're inside the fort. Cool. Oh, and Nicole is climbing. We made it to the top. It is one of the oldest forts in Ireland. Some random sheep chilling out on the mountain over there. What do you think? National Park. Look at this. Nice lake. Look at all the green. Alright, we're still in the national park, and look at this beautiful waterfall. Wow. This reminds me of home, a brewery and pizza. Look at that. End of another great day. This almost looks fake. As Nicole says, it looks like a painted backdrop. Look at that. Good night. Alright, good morning all. Today's our final day of the honeymoon. Sad, but we're excited to go home. It is our 4th day in Ireland, June 8th, and we are here. Just drove all morning, about 2.5 hours to the Cliffs of Moher. Probably the most visited cliffs in all of Ireland, but we're going to walk to the top, and should be fun. It's going to be another windy day, but weather's good and it's not raining, so we're going to enjoy it. Ireland. Something you don't see every day again. So the Cliffs of Moher were really cool. That is wrapped up now, and we just drove about an hour heading back to Shannon, where we'll be leaving tomorrow from the airport. But wanted to make a stop on the way. This is a really old church called Clare Abbey, and we're the only ones here, so we're gonna go take a look inside. Going in. Wow. This is cool. Oh, there's like graves in here too. Well, the last part of this old church. I'm gonna see what's in here. Wow. Long hour flight and we made it home. And the children are very happy. Very happy. Hope you all enjoyed these videos. We will, when we did. But we're home safe. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.